What can you expect from a household TIG welding machine with a powerful output of 200 amperes that delivers flawless fish-scale welds? Join Hong Ki as we explore the HKTIG200I digital welding machine. The HKTIG200I is designed for compactness and equipped with a sturdy handle. It comes with essential accessories, including a TIG welding torch and a 300 amp grounding clamp with a 2-meter long cable. Operating on a single-phase 220-volt power supply, this machine employs inverter technology for energy efficiency, using welding rods ranging from 1.6 to 2.4 millimeters, with a consistent output of 200 amps. The HKTIG200I is specialized for welding steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and copper. It produces clean, aesthetically pleasing welds without slag or spatter, particularly excelling in fish-scale welding, a technique that demands both high skill and quality equipment. Without further delay, let's set up the HKTIG200I, connect the gas cylinder, and create a high-quality fish-scale weld together. If you're interested in the HKTIG200I digital welding machine, please leave your information in the comments below or contact our hotline at +84 287 3036 536 for the quickest assistance. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos from Hong Ki. For now, goodbye and see you next time.